Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide or delete your play activity on your Nintendo Switch. So if you don't want people seeing what you've been doing or playing, what you want to do is go up to your icon or your page. So mine is Timbo's page right here with the Donkey Kong symbol. Select A on it. And then you're probably going to be under like profile or something. Scroll on down to user settings. Then go right and go past the profile settings right here and go to play activity settings. Then under here we're going to have a couple different options. This is display play activity to all users, friends, best friends, or no one. So choose the option under here. If you go to no one's going to see what you've been doing. It says information on what you've been doing or playing will not be visible to your selected group. So you can go to that, and then you can go to delete play activity as well, and then we can delete it all. And then we won't be able to see under there. So if we go back and go up to profile and go to play activity, all this information right here will be deleted and people won't see what you recently been playing. So you can see I've been playing Super Smash Brothers for about 5 hours, and then Fortnite for about 2, YouTube for about 5. So I haven't used my Nintendo Switch all that much, but hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.